Yo, 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 what's good, food fam? We're in Jamaica, where the sun shines, the music bumps, and the flavors explode. But when it comes to national dishes, there's a battle hotter than any habanero. Ackee and Saltfish versus jerk chicken. Today, we settle the score. Ackee, that creamy, brain-shaped fruit, arrived from West Africa on slave ships. Talk about history in a bite. It took some trial and error, and maybe a few trips to the doctor, to figure out how to cook it safely. Now, Ackee and Saltfish are breakfast staples, comfort food, and a reason to gather round the table. On the other hand, jerk chicken is all about fire and spice. Marinated in secret blends of herbs and peppers, slow-cooked over pimento wood, it's a taste of rebellion, a celebration of freedom. It is the king of Jamaican street food, from roadside shacks to fancy restaurants. Both are lick your fingers good, but who's the champ? Hold on, there's more to a dish than just taste. Ackee packs a protein punch with vitamins A and C for healthy eyes and skin. But watch out, it's high in fat and salt. Jerk chicken? Lean protein, check. Antioxidants from all those spices? Check. Just don't go overboard with the fiery pepper sauce. Ackee and Saltfish. The dish is the soul of Jamaican homes. It's the dish that brings families together, fuels lively conversations, and reminds everyone of their roots. Jerk chicken? It's the party starter, the taste of good times on the beach, the soundtrack to a joyful bus move. The verdict? It's a tie. Both Ackee, Saltfish, and jerk chicken are champions in their own right. One fuels the body, the other fuels the soul. They're both delicious, versatile, and deeply connected to Jamaican history and culture. So the real winner is you, the lucky one who gets to enjoy both. So there you have it, folks. The Ackee jerk showdown may be over, but the flavors keep on living. Remember, food is more than just what's on your plate. It's about family, friends, and the stories we tell around the table. Now go out there, explore the culinary wonders of Jamaica, and let your taste buds be the judge. Subscribe to our channel, Impacting Jamaica, for more.